digital engineering, digital construction today, and the future of where you start to bring in technologies like augmented reality or mixed reality. The key element to it is you're going from a conceptual model to a constructible model, and effectively you're trying to turn the construction process into a manufacturing process. So you're working your way through, you're trying to streamline the work processes, streamline the data flow so that people can collaborate in the same model. They understand exactly what's going on, and then you can drive that down into a 5D virtual construction. So you've got your XYZ position, but you can bring in time and cost into the process. So as you're making changes in the model, that automatically filters through into an updated cost model and potentially an updated schedule. So as an owner or a contractor, you're getting almost real-time information on the changes in the overall project based on the changes that you or the owner are making upstream in the process. The major challenge, I think, is still the ability to drive greater collaboration and seamlessness in the data flow. That's still something that we're all focusing on trying to solve, because if you look at a large construction engineering organization, they may operate with 30 or 40 different applications in their organization. And the challenge for them that they're looking for us all to solve is, how do I seamlessly migrate the data from one application to another and not have to continuously take a data in and put it into into the next application. So looking at how collectively we as suppliers to the construction industry, we can help solve that problem. Part of it is a generational issue. So the construction industry has historically been very slow to adopt new practices. I think that as the capabilities have come out, and I think if we look now in somewhere like North America or Europe, most major civil engineering projects will now have the technology on machine, for example. So they'll take the model to the field and utilize it on their dozers, graders for the earthworks and the paving. So the adoption is beginning to happen, and I think that we've seen a fairly significant change in that over the past 5 years. You will not see a project, most projects will have the capability on there. Now, still a lot of work to do in the whole feasibility and design to construction phase to continue that adoption. But it's beginning to come, and I think that as you go through this generational shift and you bring in a new generation of workers, they're going to be used to this modeling. They're going to want to see the visualization, and they've all grown up in this gaming environment. And I think that they will be helping to drive this capability and drive the adoption of this capability into the whole industry.